Factor completely. If the polynomial is prime, state this: 45x squared plus 20 plus 60x. Since I have three terms, I'll go ahead and start by writing it in descending order of the powers of x. So I have 45x squared, and then I'll put the 60x next, and then plus 20. Now, the first step is going to be to see if there's a greatest common factor, because these numbers are pretty large. Well, they all divide evenly by 5, so I'll divide out a 5, or factor out a 5 from all three terms, leaving me with 9x squared plus 12x plus 4. Now here again I have three terms, so you have several choices of factoring. But what you should probably notice right away is that this first term and the last term are both perfect squares. So I'm going to go ahead and factor this as 3x and 3x, and then I'll use 4 to be 2 times 2. The outsides give me 6x. The insides also give me 6x. So if I'm going to add to get a positive 12x, then these both need to be positive, which also gives me the final positive 4. You can also use a formula to create this. Now that you see that these two factors are identical, then we should write them as a binomial squared. So we need the 5, we need 3x plus 2 squared. So this final factored form has the same value as 45x squared plus 20 plus 60x.